We are normally house builders, deck builders, pavilion builders, pergola builders, barn builders. But today we're cutting down a tree because the tree happens to be in our way. Oh, you son. Got it. Just work it back and forth. Watch out, watch out. We're building the deck right here, and we're putting a covered pergola on the top. And my footer goes right where the tree is. Today, it's finally time to start building our pergola and our deck. We're gonna do the deck first, then the pergola. So we just got done with our layout. Now it's time to start standing up some posts and getting some beams rolling. Let's get into it. And then get that one end in it. So what we're doing here is just a little bit of bracing. This just ensures that our posts stay plumb. Plumb meaning straight up and down. Right there? Okay, so now we are plumb this way. Now we need a plumb this way so that we make sure this post straight up. Up. Getting tired. No rain day for us. We got to keep pushing through. So what we're going to be doing today is finishing up our floor joists on the deck. Boys are over there digging out all the high spots in the soil, getting rid of that so we can get our boards in there. Then we'll start getting some boards in. After that, we're going to straighten up the deck, make sure we're square. And then we're going to start putting our deck boards on. We're using Trex, the Enhanced Basics, I think it's called. If there's stickers on the end, pull them off.